लाइन में खड़ा करो।
हर बहुत है वक्त उधर
ध्यान रख क्लास होता है सिलेबस पे। ये टीचर भी सब आपके लोकल के ये आगा सर आप बैठे प्लीज प्लीज। हंसना मत। क्यों हंसी आता है तेरे को दवाई क्या है हंसी का?
ओ बस दरिया पेश भी अच्छा
सब टीचर्स ऐसे करके खड़े हो morning teachers and our honorable chief guest Mr. Ratanlal Sharma. We are highly grateful that he is giving his valuable time to be the chief guest of our Independence Day, Republic Day ceremony. And in that case, actually, on this day, when we organize Republic Day, we feel immense proud that we are a country which is known for its secularism. After independence, 26 January 1950, our constitution was made and implemented. And that's why 26 January, we always celebrate Republic Day. And being the largest democracy of the world, we feel immense proud that we are in this country and we'll keep our flag always high, we'll keep our pride always high. So today we have got first flag hoisting program, after that national anthem, then we will organize in our auditorium Republic Day quiz competition. So I won't elongate my speech because today's day is a day for which we always wait for. I would like to call our chief guest, Mr. Ratanlal Sharma, to come here to speak some words, and after that to hoist the flag, to hoist Indian flag. Thank you. Sir, please.
जो आज साहब ने बताया आपको सारा कि जो हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, हम गुलाम थे, हमारा हिंदुस्तान गुलाम था, हम अंग्रेज़ों के हमारे देश में सुई तक नहीं बनता था। अब जो ये 1947 में आज़ाद हुआ और 1950 में हमारा संविधान बना, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, उसके राजा महाराजाओं के टाइम के हमारा हक कोई नहीं था। जो हम गुलाम थे, अपनी मर्ज़ी से कोई काम नहीं कर सकते। अब जो आप बच्चे हैं अच्छे स्कूलों में पढ़ रहे हैं, हमारे इंजीनियर जब हम सर्विस में लगे, जो हमारे इंजीनियर सब बाहर से ट्रेनिंग करके आए थे, 2-4 गिनती में थे, अब तो हज़ारों की तादाद में है। हाँ जी, और हमारा देश कितना तरक्की कर रहा है। तो ये हमें सब इसी जो हमारा संविधान है 26 जनवरी 1950 को ये हमारा लागू हुआ था और आज 72 में है। सबको बहुत मुबारक है। मैं सर का बहुत आभारी हूँ कि जिन्होंने ऐसा प्रोग्राम इधर किया है।
So now I would like to call Sandeep sir to help out our chief guest to hoist the national flag. So, from here onwards, students,
ऐसे हिंदू मुस्लिम और इस्लाम मिले, रही हर जगह हम मिलजुल कर, जैसे मंदिर में अल्लाह और मस्जिद में भगवान मिले. A very pleasing morning to all the members presenting over here. Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Ratan Lal ji and our Honorable Principal Sir Shri Bhairan Bhattacharya ji and all the staff, teaching and non-teaching members presenting over here, our students and all the bright minds presenting over here. My name is Kanika Sharma and I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today, it is my privilege to address you all on the 72nd Republic Day of our country. Freedom was once a dream, today a reality. Slavery was once a reality, today a history. स्वप्न करोड़ों सत्य हुए, अब उनका सत्कार of fighters, the eternal lines of Shri Ram Prasad Bismil came to my lips and I couldn't stop myself from uttering those words. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना his lines take us back to the period when much of the Indians were under the rule of the British. Their motto was selfless freedom, freedom for the nation. Actually, it was not a nation at that time. It was just a geographical entity and the geographical area with people living in it. But British colonialism gave birth to the idea of nationalism and thus the idea of a nation came. As we know, every day brings with its brightness and darkness. So was this idea. It brought with its advantages and disadvantages. Advantage was that we got independence and disadvantage as a nation story. I took it as the story of the two brothers who fought among themselves and thus due to some differences they got divided. After independence there comes the need for the constitution, a written document which would derive the whole country and its citizens. So immediately after the independence, the constitution making process started and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar played a major role in it. After a long period of 2 years, 11 months and 17 days, the lengthiest written constitution of our country came into being. This process was completed on 26th of November 1949, but that day it was just passed. It was implemented in our country on 26th of January 1950, which we celebrate every year as the Republic Day of our country. Now, जिस तरह से ये नेशन, ये देश क्या होता है, इसका क्या मतलब है, मैं कुछ शेरगंज साहब की कुछ कविता आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करूंगी, जो उनका व्याख्यान करेगा. ग्राम शहर या कुछ लोगों का नाम नहीं होता है देश, ग्राम शहर या कुछ लोगों का नाम नहीं होता है देश, संसद सड़कों आयोगों का नाम नहीं होता है देश, देश नहीं होता है केवल सीमाओं से घिरा मकान, देश नहीं होता है कोई सजी हुई ऊंची दुकान, फिर क्या होता है देश? सज्जन सीना ताने चलते वही हुआ करता है देश, हर दिल में अरमान मचलते वही हुआ करता है देश. और यही हमारा देश हमारे संविधान ने हमें दिया है. It had given us the dignity to live with high dignity and equality, and so that we can move into our country with proud and wish all our wishes are fulfilled. So now I would like to call our principal sir, Shri Bhairan Bhattacharya ji, to please come and address our members.
And you have proved your medal to be a very good, meticulous history teacher. And I'm really proud of you all teachers to be here. And who are helping me out to train my students in a perfect manner. The students of our school came from Kargil, and the parents sent them with a dream that their children will get proper education in every manner. And I am indebted to my teachers who are in the hostel, coming as a teacher, and they're really doing excellent. Thanks everyone who will be watching the live show of this event. Regarding Republic Day, I don't have to say anything. Kanika has said everything. But being a proud Indian, it's my great honor to born here in a country with a complete diversity, with complete secularity, with different cultures, and you know, it's the only one country after the previous Soviet Union which got broken away and 15 republics became different countries. India is the only one country in the world where so many different cultures say so many different languages, so many religions, but still it's an example of unity in diversity. So we all feel proud to be Indian, and Republic Day is the occasion when we always celebrate, because the day we got recognized as a country with a legitimate constitution, with a very sound preamble, with very sound fundamental rights, and with very sound constitutional rights. And 26 January 1950, we got that honor to be known as Republic India. Be a good student. A student is good only when he or she is master of everything. And in Kargil Winter Hostel, we are trying to inculcate the same. Until today, we are quite successful. Might be there are some lacunas, and those lacunas also will be erased very soon. To inculcate religion, to encourage students for studies, we organized, and I should say we lured the students with prizes so that in one examination our students really did very well. As I am fond of events, so I don't want to miss any opportunity to organize any events, and 20th January cannot be a better event than anything. So today we are organizing Republic Day quiz comprising of four teams for senior and 4 teams from junior, and they will be having lucrative prizes also, which I just kept in front of you. Before starting the program, I would like to call Kargil as well. Sir, please come.
जम्मू में आए हैं विंटर जोन में, तो मैं सबको मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। जो 26 जनवरी है, आपके मैडम ने और प्रिंसिपल साहब ने आपको डिटेल में बताया कि 26 जनवरी का क्या मतलब नहीं आ सकते थे, आपको पढ़ने की इरादे नहीं। अब आपका बच्चा बाहर भी पढ़ने जाता है, पूरे कंट्री में पढ़ रहे हैं। आपके मैंने अपने उनके स्पेयर सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाए थे, तो DC जम्मू में तब आपकी धड़कन की थी, बेबी थी, वो मुझे याद है। तो उन्होंने, और मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कुछ बोलता, और इन लफ्ज़ों के साथ यही कहता हूँ, आपको 26 जनवरी की मुबारक है। आगे बढ़ें, मुल्क को आगे बढ़ाएं।
Intra-hostel quiz competition, and I will hand over the quiz competition to our 4 pillars, I should say, to organize a quiz. Quiz masters, Sandeep sir as scorer and Pradeep sir as timer. Before handing over the microphone to Amisha and Kanika, I would like to apprise you the rule is that 3 rounds, there will be, it's a complete academic quiz. And the questions are from your books only. You will get to answer a question will be 30 seconds. if a team cannot give the answer or give the answer wrong in 30 seconds time, then the question will be passed over to other team, but the question will pass over. If any other team can give the right answer, that team will get 2 points. So like that, the competition will go on. Whatever I told in English, Amisha ma'am and Kanika ma'am will make you understand in Hindi also. Then we'll start our competition. So over to Amisha and Kanika.
Over here and wish you all a Ali, Irfan Ali A, Mohammad Yaqub, Basharat Ali, Sahil Jafar, Irfan Ali B. So that's it, our teams. First round, history round, then geography round, then current affairs. That is your third round. Each team will be asked 4 questions and each question will be of 4 points. Is that clear to you? Question pass कर दिया जाएगा subsequent teams को. I mean to the next 3 teams. And then the teams who knocks the table first, and if the answer is 2 times knock करेगा जो कोई table, and if the answer is correct, then you will get
The first prize winner will be given 500 rupees and the trophy. And the second winner would be given 400 rupees and the trophy. And the third winner would be given 300 rupees and the trophy. So ma'am, please start the quiz.
Now, here is your first quiz team, Hali. Who was the last emperor of the Mughal Empire?
Team Hali.
Your options are Aurangzeb, Bahadur Shah I, Bahadur Shah II, Shah Alam.
Bahadur Shah II.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Very good. Very good.
In 1555, 1553, 1556, 1554.
Your time starts now. Is that right?
Yes.
Very good.
Who wrote Tariq al-Hind? And your options are Al-Birani, Biruni, Muhammad Ibn Ahmad, Abu Rayyan, Zaid Uddin Birani.
Your time starts now.
Al-Biruni.
Yes.
Is that right? Very good.
Zakaria, your question is, what is the name of Akbar's biography? Your options are Baburnama, Tusk-e-Jahangir, Akbarnama, none of the above. Time starts now.
Akbarnama.
Excellent. Excellent. First round, everyone gave right answer. Very good. Bug up, carry on.
Team Hali, your question, second question is, when was first battle of Tarian fought? In 1191 CE, in 1193 CE, in 1192 CE, in 1194 CE.
1191.
Yeah, right answer.
Excellent, excellent. Hello. With whom? With whom? And? Mohammad Ghori, very good. Very good.
The team says your question is, in the second battle of Panipat, Akbar defeated Jahangir Khan, Nadim Shah, Hemu, none of the above.
Hemu.
Very good.
Excellent, very good.
Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithvi Raj Chauhan in the battle. The battle was first battle of Panipat, first battle of Tarian, second battle of Panipat, second battle of Tarian.
Second battle of Panipat.
The battle of Tarain.
That is not the real.
No, sorry.
It's not the correct answer.
Pass.
This is bell ring.
नहीं 30 seconds देखना. Options, repeat all options.
I repeat my option. First battle of Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithvi Raj Chauhan in the battle. The battle was Muhammad Ghori ने defeat किया था पृथ्वी राज चौहान को. किस battle में किया था? फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत में किया था, फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ तारियन में किया था, फर्स्ट बैटल ऑफ पानीपत में या सेकंड बैटल ऑफ तारियन में?
Second battle of Tarian.
वेरी
That is the answer. 1192. 1192. Bonus mark. Bonus mark. Jiaga team को bonus mark. 2 points.
Who was the founder of Mughal Empire? Akbar, Humayun, Babur, Aurangzeb.
Babur.
Excellent. Very good.
Who were the powerful period? Rajputs, Mughals, Sikhs, Afghans.
Options repeat.
Rajputs, Mughals, Sikhs, Afghans.
Rajput.
Very good.
Very good.
Which of the following ruled during the early medieval period? Afghans, Pratiharas, Turks, Muslims.
Pratiharas.
No, that is not the right answer.
Wrong. Pass. Your again question
On the
repeat.
table.
Hana, question repeat.
I repeat my question. Which of the following ruled during the early medieval period? And options are Afghans, Pratiharas, Turks, Muslims.
Time starts now.
Very good. That
Good.
is the answer.
Very
That is
good.
the right answer. Battle of Buxar Fort. In 1761, 1763, 1764, 1762.
1764.
Right answer.
Excellent. Very good. Come on. बच्चे पढ़े. They're studying. Good.
Crops brought in India by Portuguese.
Portuguese.
Very good. Very good.
हो गया चलो.
Muhammad Ghori and Prithviraj Chauhan, Muhammad Ghori and Hemu and Akbar and Prithviraj Chauhan.
Babur and Prithviraj.
No, that is not.
No, wrong. Complete wrong.
No,
Question
not
repeat.
even.
Repeat question.
The Battle of Tarin fought between Muhammad Ghori and Prithviraj Chauhan, Muhammad Ghori and Hemu, Akbar and Prithviraj Chauhan.
Question में.
The Battle of Tarin fought with Tarin battle.
Battle of Tarin.
किसके साथ हुआ था? Who fought?
Options, ma'am. Please repeat the options.
Muhammad Ghori.
Wrong. Wrong. Next. Anyone? Question over.
The Battle of Tarin fought between Muhammad Ghori and Prithviraj Chauhan, Muhammad Ghori and Hemu and Akbar and Prithviraj Chauhan.
Excellent. Very good. 2 marks. And उनका कोई marks नहीं.
Roads, rest houses, tolls, and officials.
Rest houses.
Right answer.
Right.
Which one of the following during the medieval India was known as Shiraz-e-Hind? Malwa, Sunargaon, Khandesh, Jaunpur.
Malwa.
No, that is
No,
not.
wrong. Repeat the question.
Which one of the following during the medieval India was known as Shiraz-e-Hind?
Your time starts now.
Malwa, Sunargaon, Khandesh, Jaunpur. Right answer.
Very good. Very good.
Script. Guru Gobind Singh, Guru Arjun, Guru Angad, Guru Nanak. Which Sikh Guru started the Guru Mukhi script? किसने लिखा है गुरु मुखी script? No.
No, wrong.
Now in the same जी Guru Arjun, Guru Angad, Guru Nanak.
Your time starts now.
Guru Gobind Singh.
No.
No. Anyone?
Anyone?
Question
Next
में.
time.
Question.
How many times you want to?
Which Sikh Guru started the Guru Mukhi script? Guru Gobind Singh ji, Guru Arjun, Guru Angad, Guru
Guru
Nanak.
Gobind Singh.
No, wrong. Tell the score. Scorer. Okay.
Ali team 12 score. Team Jafaria 12. Faiz team 12. Saidi team 16.
So who is leading now?
Saidi.
Team second. Very good. Give a big hand.
Please big hand for Saidin team.
Now let's start your first question of the second round. What is the largest mountain range in the world? Swiss Alps, Andes, Himalayan range.
Himalayan range.
Right answer.
What is the most populated country in the world? India, China, United States, Britain.
China.
Right answer.
Right answer.
What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra.
Canberra.
Very good. Very good. Canberra.
Brightest planet in our solar system: Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter.
Jupiter.
No, that is not.
Wrong. Gone.
Brightest
Repeat the question, please.
planet in our solar system: Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter.
और एक बार ऑप्शन.
Which is the brightest planet on our earth? Brightest.
Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter. Right answer. Venus.
Right.
For the red planet: Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter.
Mars.
Right answer. The highest mountain peak of Himalayas is located in India, China, Nepal, Tibet.
Nepal.
Right answer. Planet water cycle is existed: Jupiter, Earth, Mars, Venus.
Earth.
Very good. What is the capital of Azerbaijan? Tehran, Kyoto. Right answer.
Very good.
How much of the Earth's surface is desert? 1/3, 1/4, 2/3, none of the above.
None of the above.
No, that is not the right answer. Now of the table. How much of the Earth's surface is desert?
2/3.
No. Now of the table. 1/3. 1/3. Okay.
Right answer.
Of the following events: badminton, tennis, squash, swimming. French Open is associated with which of the following events? Badminton, tennis, squash, swimming. French Open. No, that is not the right answer.
Anyone knowing the answer? Please pass the question.
Shall I give you the answer? Shall I give you the answer? Huh? Anyone has given? Huh?
You want the question? Okay, please repeat.
Events: badminton, tennis, squash, swimming.
Badminton.
Wrong.
No.
Tennis.
कौन बोला? Right answer.
Right answer.
Do you know the name of the ground of French Open? क्या?
Roland Garros.
कौन बोला? Very good.
Which is the highest dam of India? Bakra, Nangal, Tehri, Hirakud, Sardar Sarovar. Which is the highest dam of India? No,
No,
that is not the
not
right
at all. Bakra एकदम नीचे.
Anyone knowing the answer?
Which is the highest dam of India? Options: Bakra, Nangal, Tehri, Hirakud, Sardar Sarovar.
Sardar Sarovar.
Wrong. Time over हो गया?
Limestone, marble, granite, slate. Igneous rock. Which one of the following is igneous rock? Limestone, marble, granite, slate.
Granite.
Right answer.
Absolutely.
Tallest waterfall in the world: Victoria Angel Falls, Elgira Falls, Bokta Falls.
Angel Fall.
Right answer. What is the script for Punjabi language? Devanagari, English, Kanori, Gurmukhi.
Excellent. Very good.
Australia lies between which two oceans? Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Indian Ocean. Australia lies between which two oceans? किन दो oceans के बीच ऑस्ट्रेलिया?
और कौन? दो ओशन के बीच में।
Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Arctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Indian Ocean.
आर्टिक का ऑप्शन कौन है? गुड।
Indian Ocean.
और
Indian Ocean.
बिटवीन टू ओशन का था।
Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Indian Ocean.
Indian and Pacific Ocean.
Indian Ocean.
Pacific.
Right answer. Question 1. Who is the currently elected President of United States of America? Options are none of the above.
Joe Biden.
Recently, which state government has announced to set up a film city? Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Telangana, Karnataka.
Question again.
Recently, which state government has announced to set up a film city? Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Telangana, Karnataka.
Gujarat.
No. Not the right answer. The team who knows the answer. Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Telangana, Karnataka. Which state government has announced to set up?
Not the right answer.
Recently, which state government has announced to set up a film city? Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Telangana. From India, Rajnath Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman, Amit Shah, Venkaiah Naidu. Who is the current Defence Minister of India?
Option में
Rajnath Singh.
Rajnath Singh.
Right answer.
Very good.
What is the name of the lander of Chandrayaan-2 launched by ISRO in 22nd July 2019? Bahubali, Vikram, Bharat, Bikram. Vikram or Bikram? Right answer. Who is the President of India? Ramnath Kovind, Venkaiah Naidu, Amit Shah, Narendra Modi.
Ramnath Kovind.
Very good. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in China at Beijing, Shanghai, Tianjin, Wuhan, Hubei.
बीजिंग।
Wuhan.
गलत हो गया।
Right. Who is the current Finance Minister of India? Nirmala Sitharaman, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Venkaiah Naidu. Who is the current Finance Minister of India? Nirmala Sitharaman, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Venkaiah Naidu. Right answer. Recently, who became the recipient of India's first COVID-19 vaccine? Let me finish the option first.
Very good.
Recently, which country has received the chairmanship of UNHRC, United Nations Human Rights Council? America, India, Fiji, France.
France.
No.
Repeat the question. Oh, very good.
Chatterjee.
Shivaji Chatterjee.
Right answer.
Excellent, very good, very good.
When did the President Joe Biden take oath? 20th of January 2021, 21st of January. Very good.
Very good.
What is the name given by WHO to the disease caused by coronavirus spread in Wuhan city? COVID-19, Corona-19, China virus, none of the above.
COVID-19. Very good.
Who is the first female and also the last chief minister of J&K? Mehbooba Mufti, Priya Shetty, Nirmala Sitaraman, none of the above.
Mehbooba Mufti.
Very good.
What is the full form of ISRO? ISRO, Indian Space Research
Indian
Organization.
Space Search Organization.
Very good. Very good.
International Yoga Day. Yoga for peace, yoga for wellness, yoga for well.
Peace.
Let me finish the option. That is not the right answer.
Next question again.
Anyone knows?
What was the theme of 2020 International Yoga Day? Yoga for peace, yoga for wellness, yoga for intimate, for wealth, and yoga at home.
Yoga for wellness.
Yoga for wealth, yoga. हो गया आपका? What is the full form of WHO? World Health Organization.
World Health Organization. Excellent.
Okay, guys, friends. Now it's a very interesting turn. We got two teams with equal marks. It's a tie. Team Hali and Team Fayaz, they have scored 44 marks. Team Jafaria, 34. And Team Shahidi, they haven't studied properly, 28. So here will be tie between the two first contestants, those who scored equal marks. You will be given, keep quiet. You will be given, how many questions, ma'am? You will be given 5 questions. 5 to Team Hali and 5 questions to Team Fayaz. Okay? Again mistake.
सर फर्स्ट और थर्ड जो है ना फर्स्ट और थर्ड जो है
Hali and Team Fayaz, 44 marks. Team Shahidi, sorry, their score is quite good, 38. Team Jafaria, 34. It was a human mistake made by the scorers. Sorry for that. So here, your bazar will start and Ma'am Amisha will tell you the rules between Team Hali and Team Fayaz. Marks?
There is a tie between Team Hali and Team Faz. Both have scored 44 points. Now I am going to ask 5 questions to both teams. Team Hali, your question is, Chandrayaan 2 is India's second mission to moon. It is developed by NASA, NASA, ISRO, WHO, UNICEF.
NASA.
No, wrong. कौन सी टीम को मिला?
Team Faz.
Team Fayaz. Team Fayaz.
Teacher award.
Ranjit Singh Disale.
Very good.
Which team? Team Fayaz. 18-4.
Abu Faisal was patronized by Akbar, Shahjahan, Jahangir, Aurangzeb. Abu Faisal was patronized by किसके संरक्षण में थे? अबू फैजल अकबर के, शाहजहां के, जहांगीर के, औरंगजेब के. अकबर, शाहजहां, जहांगीर, औरंगजेब.
Time starts now.
Jahangir.
No, that is
No, wrong. Akbar, right answer. 5 questions, madam, 5 questions. Already they have given the 3 answers.
Yes, sir.
So they are already winning. No need of other 2. So congratulations, team Fayaz. You are the winner. And second position is team Hali. And third position is team. No. Shahid. Team Shahid. Okay. Chalo. Junior program is over. Over to junior quiz competition over. So wait for the prizes at the end of the.
Please come on the stage and sing the song.
कहीं पे जरूर ये आसमां ये ज़मीन चांद और सूरज क्या बना सका है कभी कोई भी कुदरत क्या बना सका है कभी कोई भी कुदरत कोई तो है जिसके आगे है आदमी मजबूर कोई तो है जिसके आगे है आदमी मजबूर हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है हाँ उसी का नूर इंसान जब कोई है राह से भटका इसने दिखा दिया उसको सही रास्ता इसने दिखा दिया उसको सही रास्ता कोई तो है जो करता है मुश्किल हमारी दूर कोई तो है जो करता है मुश्किल हमारी दूर हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है हाँ उसी का नूर रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है हाँ कहीं पे जरूर रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है हाँ कहीं पे जरूर
Please comfortably.
It's going to be interesting. Okay.
Yes. The first section is history, and then the second geography, and then the third current affairs question. Ghalib team, your first question is: who advised Gandhiji to tour the whole country? Your options are A part.
Bengal.
Your options
You
are
missed the bus. You missed the bus.
Gopal Krishna.
very good.
Very good.
Your question is: where did Gandhiji organize his first satyagraha after coming from South Africa?
Listen to the option first.
Your option is A part Awadh, B part Allahabad, C part Champaran. Very good.
Very
good.
good.
When did Jallianwala Bagh incident took place? Your options are A part 13 April 1919, B part 14 April 1919, C part.
April 1919.
Very good. Which of the following is the book of Mahatma Gandhi? A part, A Passage to India. B part, Hind Swaraj. C part, Hind Government. Very good. Who renounced his knighthood after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Your options are A part, Mahatma Gandhi. B part, Subhash Chandra Bose. C part, Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Very good.
Excellent. Very good.
When did the first census occurred in India? A part 1872, B part 1871, C part 1873.
Your time starts now. Time to go.
1871. No, wrong.
Wrong.
Anyone knowing the question?
No. Repeat the question in passing.
B part 1871, C part 1873.
1872.
First year.
1872. Very good.
Excellent.
When was the Khilafat Committee formed in Bombay? 1919, 1920, 1921. 1919. Very good.
Excellent.
Your question is, when was the Battle of Plassey fought? A part 1756, B part 1757, C part 1758.
1757.
Very good.
Excellent.
Who said the following line? We must indeed become Nawab ourselves. A part Robert Clive, B part Robert Hawkins, C part Robert Wilkins.
Robert Wilkins.
No, sorry.
Sorry.
Become Nawab ourselves. A part Robert Clive. Very good. The Nawab of Bengal by British. Your options are A part Mir Zafar, B part Mir Kazim, C part Sirajuddaula. Who was installed as Nawab twice in Bengal?
Your time starts now. Come on.
Options are Mir Zafar, B part Mir Kazim, and C part Sirajuddaula. Anyone knowing the
Repeat the
question?
question and pass.
Who was installed twice the Nawab of Bengal by the British? A part Mir Zafar, B part Mir Kazim, C part Sirajuddaula.
Mir Kazim.
No, sorry.
No. What is over? Okay. Pass. No marks. Continue.
Which of the following? A part indigo, B part milk, C part water.
Indigo.
Very good.
Kalam.
Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself Emperor of France. A part 1803, B part 1804, C part 1805.
1804.
Very good.
Very.
Written by Montesquieu. A part Spirit of Laws, B part Freedom from Fear, C part A Brief History of Time.
Time starts now. Whose turn this is?
The Spirit of Laws, A part Freedom from Fear, B part A Brief History of Time, C part.
Spirit of Laws.
Very good.
Very good.
A part 1792 to 1793, B part 1793 to 1794, C part 1794 to 1795.
Option और एक बार बोलो.
A part 1792 to 93, B part 1793 to 1794.
1792.
No, sorry.
Sorry.
To 1793, B part 1793 to 1794, C part 1794 to 1795.
Time starts. Clear.
Sorry.
Sorry. Time है ये
C275.
का
Yes. Excellent. Demand of the Europeans for which they came to India. A part cotton and pepper, B part cotton and coal, C part cotton and wheat.
टाइम देखो
A part cotton and pepper, B part cotton and coal, C part cotton and wheat. ब्रिटिश क्यों आए थे इंडिया में? किसकी डिमांड थी? Very good. Establish the Ryotwari system in India. Your options are A part Charles Cornwallis, B part Alexander Reed, C part Warren Hastings. Who established the Ryotwari system in India? A part Charles Cornwallis, B part Alexander Reed, C part Warren Hastings.
Alexander.
Very good.
the score is just announced.
Team Ghalib had got 14 marks. Team Mir had got full. Is the book written by A part Gandhi ji, B part Schumacher, C part Jawaharlal Nehru? Very good.
Good. 4 marks. Right time.
Cold desert of a country that is Ladakh is rich in A part solar and wind energy, B part cultural heritage, C part food items.
And wind energy.
No, sorry. Cultural heritage, they had spoken. Cultural heritage. Was held in A part 1991, B part 1992, C part 1993. Very good. How much nautical miles from the coast is the area within the territorial water of India? Your options are A part 11 nautical miles, B part 12 nautical miles, C part 13 nautical miles.
Continue, no problem. Continue.
A part 11, B part 12, C part 13. How much nautical miles? कितना दूर
You
है?
can see.
कोस्ट से कितना दूर है? But not for everybody's greed. Is the line spoken by whom? A part Rabindranath Tagore, B part Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C part Gandhi ji. A part Rabindranath Tagore, B part Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C part Gandhi ji. Very good. The river flows in between the Vindhyas and Satpura ranges. A part Narmada, B part Tapi, C part Ganga. Very good, Narmada. The name of the Brahmaputra river in Tibet. Your options are A part Yamuna, B part Sampo, C part Nanda. What is the name? Which are the southern neighbors of India? A part Bangladesh and Myanmar, B part Bangladesh and Bhutan, C part Sri Lanka and Maldives. Which are the southern neighbors of our country, India? Southern neighbors.
Southern neighbors.
A part Bangladesh and Myanmar, B part Bangladesh and Bhutan, C part Sri Lanka and Maldives.
Bangladesh and Bhutan.
Hut, wrong. Who was the first? I think so, you're the first. Secondly, this one. Keep quiet. Huh? Hold here.
The largest saltwater lake of India. A part Vimbanan, B part Chilika, C part Buller. Very good. Second highest peak of the Himalayas. Options are A part Kanchenjunga, B part Karakoram, C part Mount Everest.
Second highest peak of Himalaya.
Second highest peak of Himalayas.
Time
A
start.
part Kanchenjunga, B part Karakoram, C part Mount Everest. Sorry.
Okay. Now you ask them what is the name of the peak.
K2.
अरे आप क्यों बोले? चलो वो भी बोल दिए उसका इंग्लिश नेम क्या है?
Gordon Austin.
Excellent.
Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a value, worth, or resource. Very good. Resource.
Resource. Four marks.
Located. A part Myanmar, B part Assam, C part Odisha.
Very good, very good.
Please take hands. Were vultures dying in India? A part aspirin, B part diclofenac, C part penicillin.
Repeat the question. It's a
From which is aspirin, B part diclofenac, C part penicillin. No, sorry.
question तो टॉप करेंगे.
A part aspirin, B part diclofenac, C part penicillin. Very good. Diclofenac. Sarojini team, your question is from which longitude does the standard meridian of India passes? A part 82 degree 32 second east. B part 82 degree 30 second east. C part 80 degree 30 second east. Second east, yes. Eastern and Western Ghats are joined through which hill? A part Nilgiri, B part Anaimoti, C part Dota Beta.
Which team?
The Eastern and
No,
Western.
which team question?
This Kalam.
Okay, Kalam. Huh? Good answer. Hello.
The resources are divided into two types. A part renewable or non-renewable, B part biotic and abiotic, C part national and international.
Which team?
Renewable and non-renewable. Biotic and
I want the in the mic. Come on, give the answer. Give the answer.
A part renewable and non-renewable, B part very good.
Excellent. Abhishek, you understand? Team Galid is 22. Team Mean is 30. Team Kalam is 38. And Team Sarojini is 20.
Now coming to the third round. Your question is, which of the following is the first women Nobel Prize winner? A part Indira Gandhi, B part Mother Teresa, C part Sarojini Naidu. Which of the following is the Mother Teresa?
Mother Teresa.
Very good. Capital of Kazakhstan. A part Bishkek, B part Nur Sultan, C part Tokyo.
Nur Sultan.
Very good. The first male Governor General of India. A part Warren Hastings, B part William Bentinck, C part Lord Mountbatten. Who was the first male Governor General of India?
William Bentinck.
Very good. Belgium. A part Vienna, B part Brussels, C part Warsaw. Very good. In the south. A part Ganga, B part Godavari, C part Narmada.
Narmada.
Very good. Right.
सरोजनी कितने मार्क्स दिए आपने? 4। मैम इसके 2 पास हुआ।
Mutiny occurred in India? A part 1856, B part 1857, C part 1858. When was the Sepoy Mutiny occurred in India? 1856, 1857, 1858. Sorry. 1856, 1857, 1858. When was the Sepoy Mutiny occurred in India? Sepoy Mutiny. 1856.
1856.
Very good. Portugal. A part Lisbon, B part Bern, C part Rome. True. Lisbon. Is on which river? A part Narmada, B part Tapi, C part Ganga. A part Narmada, B part Tapi, C part. True. Bharat Ratna. A part Indira Gandhi, B part Mother Teresa, C part Pratibha Patil. First women in India to get the Bharat Ratna.
Indira Gandhi.
Very good. Team Sarojini, your question is, which of the following is the tributary of Indus? A part Jhelum, B part Narmada, C part Sand. Which is the following is the tributary of Indus? Very good. Welcome India. A part Ranveer Singh Pora Canal, B part Indira Gandhi Canal, C part Suez Canal. India. Very good. Please big hands. C part Nagendra Singh. Paper in India. Team Galib. समाचार दर्पण, B part Bengal Gazette, C part Udant Martand. Very good. Naval women pilot. A part Avani Chaturvedi, B part Sakshi Malik, C part Shubhangi Swaroop. True. Indira Gandhi, Indira Point, B part Kanyakumari, C part Barren Island. Which is the southernmost point of India? Point, southern point. No, sorry.
Okay, continue. How many questions left?
Last question.
Excellent.
Which Team Mir, your question is, which is the largest cave temple of India? A part Ellora temple, B part Kailash temple, C part Rameshwaram temple.
Kailash temple.
Very good.
रेस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल साहब, पहले मैं आज की यूम जमहूरिया के मौके पर आप लोगों को मुबारकबाद पेश करना चाहता हूँ। साथ में बच्चों को बहुत ही मुबारकबाद पेश करना चाहता हूँ और स्टाफ मेंबर को और पेरेंट्स को भी, क्योंकि ये तालीम हासिल करने का तरीका सिर्फ किताब तक महदूद नहीं रहना चाहिए। जहाँ तक मैं एज ए टीचर बीइंग इसको हासिल करने के लिए हर एक्टिविटीज़ होना ज़रूरी है। जैसा कि प्रिंसिपल साहब ने हर लम्हे पे हर मौके पे ये एक्टिविटीज़ आप लोगों को दी है, मैं इनका बहुत ही मशहूर हूँ। और साथ में बच्चों से भी गुजारिश है कि जैसा कि मौला मुत्तक़ीन अमीरुल मोमिनीन अलैहिस्सलाम फरमाते हैं, हमारे ज़िंदगी जो है एक आसमान की बदर की तरह है। आज है तो थोड़ी देर बाद नहीं होता है। ये बच्चों के लिए मैं अपने वक़्त को कीमती समझता हूँ। जो तालीम हासिल कर रहे हैं आप लोग, अपने कीमती वक़्त को हाथ से जाने मत दीजिए। इस तालीम को हासिल करने के लिए साथ साथ में इट इज़ डिपेंड ऑन 3 थिंग्स, उस्ताद, पेरेंट्स और स्टूडेंट्स। जब ये तीनों मिल जाते हैं तो तालीम अच्छी तरह से हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो इस तरह आप लोग बहुत ही खुशकिस्मत और किस्मतदार लोग हैं, क्योंकि इस सर्दी का आयाम में करगिल के कड़क ठंड को छोड़कर आप लोगों को प्रिंसिपल साहब ने और स्टाफ मेंबर ने बहुत ही अच्छी सहूलियत दी है। मैं इनका बहुत ही मशकूर हूँ, क्योंकि आप लोगों को भी चाहिए अपने कीमती वक़्त को हाथ से जाने मत दीजिए। जब तक आप वक़्त का पाबंद रखें तो आइंदा हमेशा इंशाल्लाह आप लोगों को कामयाबी व कमरान होगी, आपकी ज़िंदगी बहाल होगी। मैं प्रिंसिपल साहब का हर वक्त ये प्रोग्राम देखते रहता हूँ और साथ साथ में इनसे फ़ोन पे करते रहता हूँ। बच्चों को घर की तरह ही माहौल मुहैया की है। मैं इनका और स्टाफ मेंबरन का, जितने भी आपके स्टाफ हैं, उनका बहुत ही मशकूर व ममनून हूँ। इंशाल्लाह हमें उम्मीद है कि हम पेरेंट्स भी आप लोगों को शाना बशाना साथ देंगे और साथ साथ में जितना हमारे बच्चे कामयाब हो जाएं। आप लोग अपनी तालीम की तरफ जिस तरह परवाना जो है चरा के इर्द गिर्द घूमता है, इस तरह तालीम के पीछे हमेशा रहना चाहिए। ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट हो, हमेशा तरक्की हो, आगे बढ़े, बंदे नाचिस का यही दुआ है। मैं ज़्यादा न कहते हुए आप लोगों से गुस्ताखी चाहता हूँ। वस्सलामु अलैकुम।
इस मौके पर तमाम पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स और बच्चों को सबको मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगी सबसे पहले। इसके बाद प्रिंसिपल साहब और बाकी स्टाफ मेंबर्स सबका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने इस मौके पर हमें इनवाइट किया और बच्चों का जो क्विज़ प्रोग्राम उन्होंने रखा था बहुत ही मालूमाती और बहुत ही ये था, ये फ़ायदेमंद था बच्चों के लिए भी और हम पेरेंट्स भी इस बात से बहुत खुश हुए। तो तमाम ज़्यादा वक्त न लेते हुए बस यही कहना चाहूँगी कि आप सबको रिपब्लिक डे का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
When I came with my students here, he has always showed his support. I take care of the academics, but he takes care of the moral values and religious values of the students, and that also he is doing very selflessly. That's why on behalf of the management of our school, I express my heartfelt thanks to Sheikh Sahab, and I would like to call him to speak some words.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. اما بعد فقد قال الرسول صلى الله عليه واله وسلم حب الوطن نصف الايمان بر محمد وآل محمد صلوات. तमाम दोस्तान व तमाम दोस्तान जहान को इस आज के जश्न के मुनासिबत से तबरीक अर्ज़ करता हूँ। आज रिपब्लिक डे है, आज यौम आज़ादी हिंदुस्तान। इमाम कौल मासूम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अर्ज़ करते हैं, इमाम रज़ा अलैहिस्सलातु वस्सलाम से यह हदीस है, हुब्बुल वतन निस्फुल ईमान। इमाम अलैहिस्सलातु वस्सलाम अर्ज़ फरमाते हैं, वतन के साथ मोहब्बत रखना ईमान का आधा हिस्सा है। इन अगर कोई इंसान अपने वतन के साथ मोहब्बत रखता है, इन उसने अपने ईमान का आधा हिस्सा कामिल किया है। तुम्हें मुबारक बात पेश करता हूँ हमारे उन वतन दोस्त अजीज जो हमारे खातिर दिन रात रेगिस्तानों में, पहाड़ों में, मैदानों में जो हमारे अफवाज के खातिर हमारे फौजी जवानान हमारे कौम के सरदार जो बड़े बड़े अफसरान हैं जो हमारी खिदमत के लिए हाजिर हैं, और जुमला हाजिर तमाम दोस्तों को तबरीक अर्ज़ करता हूँ। और आज का इस दिन के मौके के मुनासिबत से प्रिंसिपल साहब और हम जुमला हाजिर मोहतरमान तमाम सबको तबरीक अर्ज़ करता हूँ। कौल मासूम ये अलामत है कि हम अपनी वतन के साथ मोहब्बत रखते हैं। इनका ज़्यादा अरसबामित बाकी अंतिके मद्देनजर रखते हुए तमाम जुमला हाजिर असातिज़ मेंबरान सभी खिदमत हिंदी तबरीक अर्ज़ में ध्यान मोमिन मोमिला मानना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों का इस कीमती वक्त लेते हुए, क्योंकि वक्त मद्देनजर रखते हुए ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं ले सकता। और आज के इस दिन के मुनासिबत से तमाम दोस्तों को तबरीक अर्ज़ करता हूँ। बर मोहम्मद वाले मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु
I know him since last more than 5 years, though he's like my son only. And when I came to Jammu to run the home, really helped me a lot, and I didn't have any hindrance or any problem to get anything which I need to run the hostel. And he has provided everything selflessly. And I should not say he's my friend, he's like my son only. I am indebted on behalf of my management to Mr. Deepak, and today also he is here to witness our program. So I would like to call Deepak here to speak something.
Happy Republic Day to all of you. Firstly, sir का thanks करूँगा, ठीक है? He invited me to attend that function, and it is my pleasure to attend the function. And I saw how enthusiastically sir ने अपनी टीम को प्रिपेयर किया, आप लोगों को प्रिपेयर किया, और किस तरह से बच्चे यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। I am very thankful to you and thankful to sir. Fine.
Our chief guest, please come here. Sir, please. Here is the junior. Okay. In junior section, the first position holder is Team Fayaz. No, not Team Fayaz. Team. First position. Team Fayaz with 56 points. Team Fayaz. With 44 points, please.
साथ में हो जाओ, ठीक है.
And with 38 points. And I'm fortunate that though they're too naughty, but still they study. Okay, keep quiet. They studied properly, and the marks are really remarkably well. First position, Team Kalam with 50 points. Team Kalam, come on. Team Kalam, team members come here. Obviously, I will hand over the first prize. Third here, to my most favorite daughter, Sabah. Please come here, Sabah. Fayaz, come here.
Okay.
With 48 points, very team members, please come here. And again, I will hand over the prize she is not only good in studies, she is good in everything. That is Mehruz. She is the team leader. So congratulations, Mehruz. And third prize goes to Team Galib with 36 points. And Team Galib has got three very talented students, but they don't use their talents. Among them, the worst is, I should say, Aga. He is very intelligent. If he really works hard, very easily, he could have scored the first position. But whatever it may be, it's his habit to become third. Aga, come here. And now, two daughters of mine. Though they are teachers by relation, they are my daughters only. Without their effort, this program wouldn't have been successful. I am really indebted and grateful to Konika and Amisha to organize the program so meticulously. On behalf of management, school management, I really express our heartfelt thanks to them. Please, Amisha and Konika, come here. You know, a teacher's biggest weapon is a pen, and pain is mightier than sword. Am I right? So for my two daughters, I am giving gift of 2 Parker pens so that they can write in the future far better. Please. And I would like to end the program with some tiny talks from his part. Over to Ratanlalji. After that, the program will culminate, and the parents and everyone will get their refreshment and lunch with us only. That's why, because they have spared so much of time for us. So today they will be having, along with teachers, lunch here with us only. So, sir, please.
और जो छोटे बच्चे हैं तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आप इतनी दूर दराज से आए हुए भी इतने खुश हैं जी प्राइज में दिलचस्पी लेते हैं और जिन्होंने अवार्ड वगैरह जीते हैं और जिन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं आपको जनरल नॉलेज के, तो ये किस लेवल तक है? 10 तक। हाँ, और बहुत ही इन्होंने जो आपसे पूछा है ना, ये कोई मुश्किल मतलब अच्छा स्कूल है, जो इतना अच्छा स्कूल है तभी ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। और आपकी अगर जनरल नॉलेज में इतना इंटरेस्ट लोगे करोगे आगे भी, और मैं यही आपको दुआ देता हूँ कि
Sajjad and Inayat obviously, and students like Aga, Fayaz, both Fayaz A and Fayaz B, and Sohail, they have really worked. Any more left? And Mehraj, Dishan, everyone, they worked on what the decoration you are watching here, you will be watching in your mobile. This all had been done by them. Yesterday night up to 1 o'clock they worked hard, and that's how this program became possible. Thanks my students, everyone, and my girl students also, senior classes. They are always cooperative with me, and whatever program I do, I take help from them. So Mehrusha, Saba, Sana, Shahnaz, Rubia, they are also very good daughters of mine, and a program cannot be done by a single person. I only think, and my team actually implement the program. So congratulations and thanks to my team, and the program is over here. Thank you everyone.
बहुत इंटरेस्ट लेने वाले हैं बहुत इनकी एक्टिविटीज ही देख के मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई है कि बच्चों के लिए इतना कर रहे हैं। ये इतने हमारे इधर के स्कूल में, मैंने इधर अपना जो गाँव में भी स्कूल था ना उधर भी जाता था, उधर कमेटी का मेंबर था, तो हमने अपना देखा कि इतने उनको नहीं आने, बड़े अच्छे क्वालिफाइड टीचर लगाए हैं, मगर इतना नहीं जितना इन्होंने आपके लिए किया है। जो क्वेश्चन ही पूछते हैं आप किया इन्होंने बच्चों की तरह रखा है, अपने बच्चों की तरह रखा है।
हुआ है ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आंख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। और उसकी आगे की लाइन और भी अच्छी है जो कहती है, तुम भूल ना जाओ इनको, इसीलिए कही ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तो मैं इनमें यही कहूंगी कि ये दिन एक दिन नहीं। ऑनरेबल प्रिंसिपल सर श्री बैरन भट्टाचार्य जी।
प्रिंसिपल सर ने इस मौके को एक बहुत ही अच्छा और एक शानदार किया, रिपब्लिक डे का अच्छे से मनाया, बच्चों को इतना हौसला अफजाई किया और पेरेंट्स का भी इसका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए मैंने आज ये पहनाए तक हमारे इस बार में। थैंक यू।
Sorry, he is professional, but still he is my son. And today is the opportunity, I should say, you all don't know, he is a corona survivor, and hats off to him. He fought with the disease, and he is the only one son of his family. He suffered from corona and he recovered from it, and he is in business, and that's a great thing for him. And I really wish him a long live life. Please give a big hand for us.